Here's some information about using a Wacom tablet along with OneNote and Camtasia to make videos for your classes. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to Wacom.com and go through the easy 3-step setup. First, plug your tablet into your computer and then download the appropriate driver and then restart your computer and you're ready to roll. The tablet works just like a mouse at that point. I recommend going to software.wfu.edu and downloading whatever software you're going to use. I'm using OneNote, which is available in the Office 365 package, and Camtasia to record. So this is a little bit about how I use OneNote to take notes. If you create a page in OneNote, you can do a lot of things. I mean, you can set it up to look like a notebook with lines. You can also drag in pre-constructed notes as a PDF or a slideshow or whatever. So if I'm just taking notes like I'm writing on paper, then I might use this college ruled notebook background. So I can just write in any color that I like. I can draw shapes and so on. I can insert videos. Change the color of the pen is one of my favorite things to do. And then I can also drag in PDFs. So if you have some pre-typed notes, you can insert that as a printout and write right on the notes there. So this is particularly good when you're making a video for your class. You've got your setup notes just as you normally would, and then you can just write on those notes. And the PDF is also downloadable for the students. All students have access to OneNote. So they can go in there, and if you got it as a shared document, they can see all of this. So you can also drag in slides. I've just dragged in a PowerPoint presentation here, and again, if that's how you do your presentations, you can just write directly on these slides, and then of course the PowerPoint document is available for download there. So I mean, obviously OneNote isn't the only option for note taking, but this is one that works well for me, especially when paired with Camtasia. Okay, so Camtasia is a really great tool for making videos. I've got Camtasia open. I'm going to start a new project, and then I'm going to have it record 3 things at once. So I'll press record, and I'm going to select the built-in microphone for audio, the camera on me, and then also a screen recording. So let's go ahead and start recording and see how that works. So I have all 3 things recording right now, and we'll see later when we go back into Camtasia, we can sort of play with the arrangement of the video and the screen recording and so on. But when I'm doing, videos for class, typically I turn off the camera on myself and just leave on the screen recording and then go to OneNote and write math there. Okay, so this is me recording a video for my class. I just write whatever I need to do, and then Camtasia is recording everything that I write on the screen here. All right, so this is what it looks like to edit a video in Camtasia. So this is the bit that I've just recorded. The audio and webcam is split from the screen recording. And so I'll be quiet for a second and play it so you can see what it looks like. So I have all 3 things recording right now, and we'll see later when we go back in. Okay, and so I can resize this video here. I can actually get rid of that video for a portion of the video that I'm making by deleting a certain portion, so my webcam doesn't show up until a certain point. There was another track that I made after this one, which was the one that I was doing just the OneNote stuff. So I can see here in that capture that the audio starts right here. Probably I was just working on the setup, so I might delete that portion, slide it back, and this is kind of what it looks like now. Right, math there. Okay, so this is me recording a video for my class. I just write whatever I need to do, and then Camtasia is recording everything that I write on the screen. Okay, and you can add annotations and things to the video that you're making. Contact Mike Wesselcouch if you're interested in adding Bitmojis and things. And then the last step is to share the video on YouTube. So I usually just share it directly there. You can sign into your WFU account, give it a title. If you want it to be unlisted at first and released later, then you can select unlisted here and then go into YouTube and do any edits that you need to at that point. Okay, I hope that was somewhat helpful. I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. Mike Wesselcouch is also an expert with using the Wacom tablet together with OneNote and Camtasia to make videos. I'm hoping to also use the tablet with OneNote and Zoom to do online classes next week. If I get that figured out, I will let you know. Good luck.